What the heck, bro?
Central Westchester County,
Another
in
one.
southeastern New York, Rockland County in
Oh my
southeastern
God.
New York until 6:45 p.m.
What the heck?
At 5:58 p.m.
Bro, another SVR. What the heck?
Moving northeast at 31
Mount Holly, you should have. Oh no, not that
60
one.
miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail.
Oh my God.
Source,
What the
radar indicated.
heck?
Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines.
Another one. Oh my gosh. Woo.
New City and Miami at around 6:05 p.m. Albany around 6:15 p.m. Hawthorne around 6:20 p.m.
Penny-sized hail.
Mount Kisco around 6:30 p.m.
It's on KZZ31.
Around 6:35 p.m.
Expect damage.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Bro, what the heck?
Large hail, damaging wind.
We literally got another one.
Occurring with this storm.
Around 6:50.
Moving outdoors immediately.
Oh my gosh.
Leading killers.
Mount Kisco.
Remember, if you can
What the heck?
to be struck by a lightning.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.
Oh my God.
The critical water source from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to fire a
Around light monitoring miles. Move indoors immediately.
What the hell is happening, bruh?
Of nature and leading
south winds 15 to 20
Remember,
miles per
Oh my God.
diminishing to 10 to 15 miles per lightning. C46.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued. 6:45 p.m. for the following counties: Bergen, New Jersey, New York.
What the heck? Oh my God.
Showers late this evening in overnight.